Recently, one of my mini PCs malfunctioned, so I wanted to take the 1 terabyte SSD hard drive out and use it on another computer. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to keep using my old SSD hard drive and transfer it and its contents over to another machine. The enclosure comes with a pamphlet with an important note about how to properly unplug and remove it from your machine so you don't interrupt any data transfers. The enclosure comes with everything you need to start using it, including this USB-C cable, and also a small screwdriver to open the enclosure. It also came with a thermal pad to help keep the SSD cool while inside the enclosure, and of course, the enclosure itself. The enclosure itself is nice and compact and fits in the palm of my hand. It's solid but light, so I can slip it into my work bag if I need to. At one end of the enclosure is the USB-C port, so I can connect it to my computer, tablet, or phone. On the side, there's a screw which we'll have to unscrew to open up the enclosure. So I'll go ahead and use the little screwdriver it came with and open it up so I can insert my SSD into it. Once the screw is removed, the cover slides out easily, revealing the chamber inside. Now I'll go ahead and remove this screw at the end so I can fit my SSD inside. When placing the SSD into the enclosure, hold the SSD with the edges and align the gold fingers at the end of the SSD with the slot in the enclosure, and then insert it at about a 30-degree angle until you hear a click. Next, I'll put the screw that we removed earlier back into its place so it can hold down the SSD and keep it in place. Now, before I close this up, I'm going to do a quick test to make sure it's recognized by my machine. Now, if I pan over to my computer screen, you can see my 1 terabyte SSD is recognized as the D drive.